So good morning. Today is July 11th, 2004. This morning we have core CPI news at 8:30 in about 3 minutes. Month over month, year over year, and also we have the U.S. Unemployment claims. I believe that would be for June. And then at 1 o'clock we have a 30-year bond auction, which is market moving news today. So I'm only looking for shorts right now on the Donchian channel. Not trading longs until 11 o'clock after everything settles down. This is just from my back testing that I've done. So see what happens here in about a couple minutes. Um, our Donchian channel strategy this morning. At a 1 minute countdown, you can start seeing some real activity coming on here with big candles. They might even shoot past our screen. Again, this video is for entertainment purposes only. Trade at your own risk. All content and data provided is for general information purposes only and should never be considered investment or trading advice. I do not give advice for trading or investments. You and only you are liable for any damages or losses that you may suffer if you decide to engage in futures trading or trade in any financial markets. Oh, the news just hit and it must have been really good news. Look at that. Wow, that is crazy. It jumped 100 points. The market must have loved the data. U.S. core CPI month over month, 0.1%. It forecasted 0.2%. U.S. initial jobless claims actual 222,000. It always seems like it's always 220 some thousand. Forecast was for 235,000. CPI month over month, negative 1.1%. They forecasted 1%. Oh, might not even get a trade today. That's just such a wide channel now. It's going to take a while for it to play catch up. See, look at this new channel starting here. Not even going to trade that. We're not taking longs until 11 after the market digests everything. But yeah, yesterday was a big 200-point move on the NASDAQ. So I'd have to drop another 100 points for you and decide to go short, but it probably won't. It's going all new highs. Yep, they like the inflation numbers. They fell. They help on the case for low rates. So inflation data is what's key. Just a matter of when they're going to do the rate cut. Yes, the last 2 days, Jerome Powell, Federal Reserve Chairman, delivered 2 days of testimony on Capitol Hill, saying he did not indicate exactly when the rate cuts will begin, but yet the market went up yesterday pretty big. He said the Fed sees risk to the economy as more in balance between inflation and recession, and that the central did not need to wait until inflation hit the 2% mark to cut rates. Kept preaching the 2% level. They just don't want to cut rates too soon, and then we'd be back in the inflationary environment. I mean, seriously, how can people actually trade something like this? You end up blowing accounts. You don't know what the hell you're doing because the news came out 8:30, price jacks up 100 points in 2 minutes. But then now it's already dove another 40 points in another 2 minutes. You just have to let this price action just dissolve and rebalance itself before you can see, some nice trends, develop. Like where's support resistance going to be, supply and demands, let itself balance out before you can take a long or a short. I do need to create some other content on my channel. Like I want to talk about the introduction of what futures is, future markets are, um, purpose of trading futures, the advantage of trading futures, what platforms to use. Um, have a new website about futures trading strategies where I want to dive into other strategies besides the Dacian channel and show the risk and reward and how to monetize those strategies using the NinjaTrader. NinjaTrader has a website, um, Ninja ecosystem, where they've put a lot of strategies out there. I want to go through back testing on those Put some results on my website that anybody wants to use, they can, or to further test and monetize those. Um, I mean, I have some good content um, in the works, just a matter of putting it up. It's hard to trade and do the content at the same time. It's a balancing act for sure. I mean, you can almost take a trade right here if you want to go long, right at this closure for a retest of the high. Looks like it wants to go. Yeah, one contract. If you would have if you would have bought the top of this candle here, or when this candle closed to right now, you could have made, two, $300. Yeah, it's the type of trades that you could the people can scout. I don't do that anymore. I've gotten burned. All right. Don't think I'll be taking any trades right now for a while. I'm not gonna take any trades till 11, unless this drops down 100 points. But you never know. If I see it coming back down, I'll jump back on.